more than 8 million species of living things on Earth, some even get surprised as they find out there are some cool animals haven't heard and seen before. Scientists keep observing new species every year, and not all modern science are familiar with all of the strange animals existing, both unique and even bizarre discoveries collected. Welcome to Couples Wanderlust. Here we have listed our most recently uploaded videos that may help you discover our picks. Make sure you subscribe our channel to notify with our latest videos. These bizarre animals included reptiles and even bugs, range from cute to terrifying, and you might even see them on your next trip if you know where to look. Number 1. Glass frog. Its Latin name, Centrolenidae, called a glass frog because you can see through its translucent belly skin where its internal organs are visible. There are about 60 different varieties of glass frogs, and they range in size, shades of greens, and some have spots, and its sizes varies by species from 0.78 to 3 inches. They usually come down from the trees to mate. Female lays eggs on the underside of a leaf that hangs over the water. Male guards the eggs from the predators like insects and parasites. Amazing displays is when the dad kicks hornets away from his eggs, gutsy and dangerous. Glass frogs like hanging out in rainforest trees above water in Central and South America, where they feed on insects during the twilight hours. Number 2. Lowland streaked Tenrec. Its Latin name, Hemicentus semispinosus, among the many other weird animals living in Madagascar, is in the Lowland streaked Tenrec. This odd-looking creature has been described as a hedgehog mixed with honeybee. Its length between 5.5 to 6.8 inches and weight between 4.4 to 9.9 ounces. It has black fur and yellow stripes, a long snout and limbs. Along its back are barbed and detachable quills that this tenrec uses against predators. Lowland streaked tenrecs live in a group of about 20 members where they spend their days sleeping in tunnels or digging for insects and earthworms by night. They communicate with each other by rubbing their quills together to create low-pitched noises, similar with insects and snakes, but the Lowland streaked tenrec is the only mammal in the world that does it. Number 3. Ai. Its Latin name, Deventonia madagascariensis, the largest nocturnal primate in the world and the only primate to use echolocation, using echo sounds to find their way around in the dark. Regarded by locals as a terrifying animal with dark hair, creepy claws, a third eyelid, and yellow eyes that glow in the dark. A scary-looking creature naturally found only in Madagascar, with a length of between 14 to 17 inches, tail between 22 to 24 inches, and weight of 4 to 6 pounds. Unlike other primates, a female ai can reproduce for as long as it lives. After giving birth, a mother will sometimes carry her baby in her mouth when she senses danger. Number 4. Naked mole rat. Its Latin word, Heterocephalus glaber, the naked mole rat isn't really a mole or a rat. It has wrinkled pink skin with short hairs on its head and tail, looks pretty but freaky, independently moving teeth, and cold-blooded. has length 5.1 inches and weight of 1.2 to 2.8 ounces. Their hairs act as a sensory organ that helps the naked mole rat find its way around in the dark underground tunnels in which it lives. Found in Eastern Africa, naked mole rats live in colonies much like ants and bees. Each colony has a queen with soldiers and workers. Number 5. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole, or Condyliora cristata in Latin, is a small mole found in moist, low areas in the northern parts of North America. It is the only member of the tribe having a touch organ with more than 25,000 minute sensory receptors known as Amur's organs, with which this hamster-sized mole feels its way around. With the help of its Amur's organ, it may be perfectly poised to detect seismic wave vibrations. Number 6. Spiny bush viper. Its Latin name, Atheris hispida, is a venomous viper species endemic to Central Africa. It is known for its extremely keeled dorsal scales that give it a bristly appearance. Male spiny bush viper grow to maximum total length of 73 cm, body size of 58 cm, tail of 15 cm, while females grow to a maximum total length of 58 cm. The head has a short snout, the eyes are large, and surrounded by 9 to 16 circumorbital scales. The body is covered with elongated, heavily keeled dorsal scales that give this animal a unique shaggy idea to its skin, almost bristly appearance. The scales around the head and neck are the longest, decreasing posteriorly. Number 7. Mata-mata. Its Latin name, Chelus fimbriata, the mata-mata or mata-mata turtle, probably one of the weirdest turtles on Earth. The shell and feet look pretty normal, but the long neck and flattened triangular head features ragged skin flaps and barbels. Usually can be found between the Amazon and Orinoco basins of South America. Its length between 16 to 18 inches and weight up to 33 pounds, Mata-mata stays motionless with its snout barely above the water surface. It waits for its dinner to come to it. When a fish or aquatic invertebrate comes swimming near it unawares, the turtle simply opens its large mouth and suctions the prey inside like a vacuum. The mata-mata cannot chew, so it closes its mouth and swallows the prey whole. Number 8. Yeti Crab. Kiwa hirsute is a crustacean discovered in 2005 in the South Pacific Ocean. This decapod, which is approximately 15 centimeters long, is notable for the quantity of silky blonde setae resembling fur covering its periopods, thoracic legs, including claws. Yeti crab has strongly reduced eyes that lack pigment and is supposed to be blind. The hairy pincers contain filamentous bacteria which the creatures may use to detoxify poisonous minerals from the water emitted by the hydrothermal vents where it lives. It is often referred to as the fairy lobster. Outside the scientific literature, Kiwa hirsuta is a giant squat lobster more closely related to crabs and hermit crabs than true lobsters. The term fairy lobster is more commonly used for the family Synaxidae. Number 9. Pangolins. Its Latin name Manis, the size of a house cat. Pangolins are the world's only mammals that covered in scales from head to toe. It can be found in India, China, parts of Africa, Southeast Asia. Pangolins' length from 12 to 39 inches and weight of 4.4 to 7 pounds. It has a small head, a long snout, and a long sticky tongue that extends up to 16 inches. It uses this tongue to catch and eat up to 20,000 ants a day. Pangolins don't have teeth, so they swallow stones to grind up their food. They have poor eyesight, but exceptional senses of smell and hearing that help them hunt ants and termites. Number 10. Sparklemuffin. Its Latin name, Maratus jactatus, wearing a tie-dyed cap and hippie shades, and it loved to do the boogie-woogie dance. Believe it or not, I am talking about a spider that has length less than a quarter of an inch. A member of the peacock spider family, the Sparklemuffin is one of the most recently discovered of its kind in eastern Australia. Like all peacock spiders, the male Sparklemuffins are noted for their vibrant red, blue, and purple colors and their unique dance that involves fancy leg work and booty shaking. For the male, having all the right moves isn't enough to just attract a mate. It means survival because if he doesn't perform well enough to impress a female, she eats him. May watching these unusual animals, you'll be amazed that these sometimes very unattractive beings inhabit the same planet as us. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and share with your friends to subscribe our channel and ring the bell to notify with our latest videos. You can follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram, link and description listed below.